Alright, what do we have here? Oh, it's a Rheem. Rheem Classic. Interesting. 2015, 2.5 ton. It's a package heat pump, yep. Listed heat pump. A Rheem. It's got a scroll compressor, I do believe. Yeah, I think it's Copeland. Yep, it sure is. Copeland scroll. Here's the reversing valve. TXV. All that cool stuff. Rheem Classic. Looks like it's installed fairly decently. I don't know why it's pulled so far back from the house, because this is a zero clearance unit. Filter access. It's the first time I've seen an external filter on a package unit. Good old Rheem. Figured I'd show this unit while I wait on the homeowner to get home. See y'all in the next one. Bye for now.